What a lovely day it is. Right, I'm going to pull the off the bonnet of this escort. And I'm going to remove the battery because it doesn't have a cover. I need to get a battery cover for it. I did buy one off of eBay, but it was rubbish. It was all no good. I'm going to try and get another one in between times. We'll take the battery out of it. It'd be easier to put the heater box and all that back in anyway with the battery out. Right, I need a 13 for that, and the clamp will be a 13. Yeah, right, we'll get some tools, get the battery out of it, and have a look at the battery tray. A new one. Right, I've got this battery disconnected, and I'm just taking the clamp off. It's brand new in there, eh? It's like going back to 1983. But the clamp will need painted as well, and I'll get a nice new bolt for it. And as I say, I'll get a battery cover. And the clamp that can be. Oh, he's putting a bolt on it. The clamp can be prepared and put into paint. So it can. I'll lift that battery out now. Look at that, eh? It's so mint now. So I'll leave that battery out of there until I get a cover. As I say, I'll get the battery clamp painted up. I'll get these heater box gaskets ordered, I'll do that. I'm still not done it, I'll do it tomorrow. I'm going to get a new ignition module, because that's not going back on, because that's the one all the goo came out of the back of it. Got a man that's going to help me with that. And over at this other side, this is where it got the panel in it, the fuse box. The whole wiring was out the vehicle from the very back. He's put it in and he's raised it slightly so it's sitting water. All done back to factory. Yeah. I just wanted to come and take that battery off anyway. I'm going to go and put it somewhere safe. This is another thing I need to get. The header tank. It's all melted. From its previous life. I'm sure it'll be the same as a generic escort one. I've powered it a quick look there at part numbers and it's very similar to an MK3. Don't have anything like that myself though anymore. I used to have stuff like that. But yeah, it's a pressurised one, that's fine. So yeah, I'll get try and get the right one, the exact right one, if I can. Yeah. Plenty to be getting on with.